Did you know that eating cabbage with certain foods can actually harm your health? While cabbage is known for its health benefits, it must be eaten correctly to be truly beneficial. Some foods pair well with cabbage while others do not. That's why Dr. Luna is here to help. I'll tell you about 3 foods that are the worst combinations with cabbage and 3 foods that are the best. Especially for certain people, cabbage needs to be eaten carefully. Stay tuned until the end. Hello, this is your Dr. Luna. Are there anyone who didn't subscribe yet? Please hit the subscribe and like buttons right now. Share this video with your loved ones and introduce them to Dr. Luna. I will continue to bring you the best health information when we eat. We don't consume just one type of ingredient in a single dish. Various ingredients complement each other's taste and health effects. However, just because ingredients taste good together doesn't mean that their nutritional values match well. Eating foods with poor nutritional combinations can harm your body and even lead to serious health issues. Every natural ingredient has its own beneficial nutrients. Knowing these nutrients and consuming them properly is the best habit for your health. Dr. Luna will always be with you in making healthy choices. Today's topic is cabbage, one of the best health foods. Everyone knows that cabbage is good for the health. But did you know that there are foods that can harm your health when eating with cabbage? There are even people who should never eat cabbage now. Let's learn about the 3 worst and 3 best food combinations with cabbage and discover a miraculous recipe. The first thing you should never eat with cabbage is high blood pressure and are taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin and aspirin. You should be cautious with cabbage consumption. While cabbage is rich in polyphenols and anthocyanins, which are excellent for lowering blood pressure and preventing cardiovascular diseases, it also contains vitamin K. This vitamin can counteract the effects of blood thinners. Here's how it works. Warfarin and aspirin act as anticoagulants, thinning your blood to help prevent blockages and conditions such as cerebral hemorrhage, stroke, and cerebral infarction. These medications dissolve blood clots and keep your blood flowing. On the other hand, vitamin K found in cabbage promotes blood clotting by activating platelets. This action can reduce the effectiveness of blood thinners. If you are prescribed aspirin and high blood pressure or high cholesterol medications, consuming cabbage can pose a problem. The vitamin K in cabbage can interfere with your medications, diminishing their ability to thin your blood. Does this mean you should completely avoid cabbage if you're on these medications? Not necessarily. There is a special recipe that even individuals on blood thinners can enjoy safely. The first food that pairs perfectly with cabbage is eating cabbage and apples together is safe and beneficial. The potassium in apples helps dilate blood vessels, while the sulforaphane in cabbage inhibits blood clots, greatly improving blood circulation and lowering blood pressure. A recommended recipe is cabbage apple juice, which you can enhance by adding steamed or cooked cabbage for better absorption. Adding carrots can further improve blood flow, but to preserve vitamin C, include a little vinegar or lemon juice. This combination is especially good to drink on an empty stomach in the morning. The second worst combination for cabbage is for people with weak thyroid function or iodine deficiency. Cabbage contains glucosinolates, which are powerful antioxidants that help maintain youthfulness and have anti-disease effects, particularly for stomach and breast health. However, these compounds can interfere with thyroid hormone production and iodine absorption. Additionally, cabbage's goitrogenic substances can inhibit thyroid hormone production. Attention! The second food that pairs well with cabbage is grapefruit. Maximizing its antioxidant effects, it is rich in isothiocyanates, which prevent serious conditions like breast, prostate, bladder, colon, and thyroid issues. Combined with grapefruit's vitamin C, the antioxidant effects are enhanced, and carotenoids in cabbage help regenerate skin cells. This combination aids in waste removal, is high in dietary fiber and low in calories, making it great for weight loss. However, consuming cabbage juice or extract can be risky as it destroys fiber, concentrates sugars, and may cause issues for diabetics and those with weak kidneys. The third highly recommended food combination with cabbage is milk. Milk is rich in protein, vitamins, and calcium, which complement cabbage's nutrients and neutralize stomach acid. The vitamin U in cabbage combines with milk protein to protect the stomach lining. This enhances cabbage's benefits for stomach health, making it ideal for those with sensitive intestines. Eating cabbage with milk can alleviate heartburn and digestive issues. Blending them as a breakfast drink on an empty stomach is highly beneficial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and also share it with your precious family and friends. I always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. Luna. Thank you.